I'm Rachel.
I'm Catelyn.
And today we are headed to Kotor, Montenegro. We are currently in Dubrovnik. We've had amazing weather in Dubrovnik, and hopefully it will be nice again today. We have to take a bus. The bus doesn't leave until 11, but we had to be out of our guest house by 10, so we have a little extra time. Unfortunately, it's a Sunday and it's early, so nothing was open. Otherwise, we would have maybe used our little extra time to go do something, but it's fine. It's the off season in everywhere, so there's not a whole lot open, especially at this time. All right, made it to the station. We're about 40 minutes early for our bus, but we just went to the information desk and they told us which platform it'll be coming to. So the bus that we're taking today is Jadran Express. The reviews for this one, a little rough, so hopefully it'll be fine. After 1, we can't check into our hostel until 2, and then we have booked for this afternoon at 3 boat tour, which I'm really excited about. But until we can check into the hostel, we just stopped at this little grill place for something quick and easy. There was a lot of activity going on out and about in Kotor. I don't know if it's Carnaval or Mardi Gras related or just some other festival. I don't know, but we saw lots of different costumes, giraffes, people in sombreros, people in capes. Got a burger. And some fries. A big old burger. That's huge. Okay, it is for sure Carnival. It was supposed to be the 15th, and then it got rained out, so it got moved to today. It's very busy, lots of people everywhere, and then the hostel's super cool. It's like built, it's kind of complicated to get up here.
I definitely don't remember the problem.
I don't remember how we got to this room. No, but we have 4 minutes until we need to leave to go start walking towards the bus tour. And we caught them at just the right moment. Actually, the volunteer was like, I'm not even supposed to be working right now, but let me just check you in anyway. There was a sign that said, back in 30 minutes. So really glad that we caught him and didn't get stuck.
He was just having drinks upstairs.
Yeah, we were invited to hang out. We do have the tour, but then after the tour, they said they do dinner at 7 and then go out to explore the parade if we want to join them for that. So sounds like it's going to be a much more exciting day than, not exciting, but just a lot more happening than has been in the last few places we've been. Okay, anyway, we gotta walk to the harbor and then we'll do our tour. Down one more. It's that door, right there.
The door was supposed to
To the left, no. Oh, is it that one? Yes.
No, actually, I don't know if I'm going up or down.
I think it's because the places we've been have been so, like, just wintry and kind of dreary that this feels like a little surreal, that there's music and so many people around. It said to get here 30 minutes early. We are here. We had to fight our way through the parade to get over here. We booked it through Hawaii Boat Tours like 2 hours ago, so hopefully they got our reservation and don't leave us hanging. This is the company. The sign got blown over, but we're doing the Blue Cave and the submarine and the Lady of the Rocks, or the Notre Dame church that's out on its own island. shot. Off we go.
You can see these tall engines on both sides. The engines used to close the net.
Around we go. Oh. This is really cold. This is I was gonna say this is really cool, but I'm very cold. This is Our Lady of the Rock, man-made island. Oh, the mountains are just insane. Okay, well that was super cool and super worth it. And the sun is going down right now. That's so pretty. We got a message. There is a group chat for the hostel for everyone staying there, and it's €5, and I think it said like Montenegrin style risotto. So we'll definitely do that for dinner, but it's not for, I don't know what time, like an hour or so. So we'll just go wander around the old town, maybe see what kind of Carnaval festivities are going on. Yeah. I'm gonna have like windburn on my face, but that was really cool. The cave was awesome and scary.
I did not think we were making it in.
But we did. That our captain, whatever, skipper.
He knew what he was doing.
He clearly has been doing that for a very long time. Yeah, it was really nice.
trenucima. I evo sad me zaboli, još uvijek tražim tebe. Sad ćemo se zaplesati. Uzmi kartu za avion, biraj vrijeme i mjesto. Ti si jedina od svih, osim u teatar za šetanje, visoka ti peta za plesanje. Usimu siguru, usimu siguru. O partigiano, portami via. Oh bella ciao, bella ciao, bella ciao, 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 partigiano, portami via, che mi sento di morire.
Alright, we just got back. We enjoyed a little free concert out of nowhere. And we are going to do the dinner. It's in about 30 minutes from now. €5 a person. Sounds good to me. But it's bring your own drinks, so we stopped to get some bottled cocktails and beer, which weren't too expensive. We saw these in, where were we last? Dubrovnik, thank you. Just little bottled cocktails. And then I also got, don't know what kind it is, but it said Montenegrin made beer. So we'll give that one a try. Anyway, yeah.
There's no pork in this.
That's okay. I don't like it, but that's okay.
Let's go, boys.
If you stay in a hostel, please go meet people and then go out.
It's so fun.
It's so much fun.
Just what are we doing
I
right
have
now?
no idea where we are. Actually, I know where we
I know
are.
where we are.
I just don't know where we're. Why?
We're just walking for no
We've
reason.
lost half the group.
We've spoken 3 languages in 1 sentence.
It's just a lot of fun.
This was a bar fight. And then we
Yes.
left because there was a bar fight.
There was a bar fight. The volunteer who's leading it is gone. Anyway, point is, go meet people if you're staying at a hostel, because a lot of them have it set up
They're so friendly.
for you to meet people. And the best memories I have of traveling are when we stay at a hostel
For sure.
where we're able to meet people. Nice night out, bedtime now. Definitely if you have the chance and you're staying in a hostel and they're going out, it's just a really great way to make some friends and have a good night. And you don't have to do it every night. That's the way that Catelyn and I do it, is usually 1 night out of the whole week and a half, 2 week trip we'll go out. And it's enough for me personally, just to meet some people and have a good time. But now we're gonna go to bed and then we'll wake up tomorrow to catch our bus to Kotor, Albania. Otherwise, that's about it for Kotor. Obviously, we had a really fun time here. The boat was amazing, definitely recommend. But even if you don't do a boat tour and you still only have an afternoon here, there's a great fortress hike that gives you a good view. You can walk around the old town. There's so many things to do, even if it's not Carnaval unexpectedly. It's just so pretty. But anyway, that'll be about it for Kotor. So stay tuned for next week when we go to Kotor. And then after that, we'll be going to Prizren, Kosovo, and finishing it all up in Skopje, North Macedonia. So if you've been following along the whole trip so far, thank you. Otherwise, thank you for watching this, and bye.